Hey guys, it's Beth, and today I have my next Kilopad project preview, and I am using, it's a collection actually from Carta Bella, and it's the Our Family collection designed by Karina Gardner. And I got one of these collections in my Echo Park warehouse box last fall, and then I ended up buying a second one because I used them for a large scrapbook order that I had during Christmas time, and so I needed like an extra set of all the papers and the embellishments. So I am working on the leftovers of two collection kits actually, and like these are what's left of the pad sheets, like just the preview sheets. I have two full sheets left, and they're both the same pattern, like flowers on one side and then the border strips on the other. And then in my most recent Echo Park warehouse box, I got this full, it's a 12 by 12 sheet of the like punch outs from this collection. And then I also got the background stamp from this collection. So I will be utilizing those two new pieces. And then I have a whole bunch of scraps. So there's a bunch of cut aparts that I had already cut down. And if they have anything to do with like father or mother, I will probably use those as the cut apart so I can make some Mother's Day, Father's Day cards. Some of these other ones, if I can't use them in some of my scrapbook pages, then I will probably just use the pattern that's on the back because I love the butterflies. So, you know, there's like that would be good card mat, you know, or focal point mats. So some of them I will use as the cut aparts, and some of the other ones I will actually use as background paper since I only have two full sheets of the paper left. So I also have two partial sticker sheets left. And then there's some elements that I have fussy cut out of those the cover pages, you know, like there's a little flower. I think I had done some of these fussy cuts on extra embellishments to use in those albums I made at Christmas, and then like this little saying, "My family is my home," so I can utilize those. I have a lot of the branding strips left, so there will be some cards made with strips, or those can be some embellishments. And I have pulled out a bunch of cardstock from my stash in coordinating colors. So we'll probably have to utilize a lot of the cardstock since I don't have a lot of the pattern paper. And I'm going to try, I've never really used border or background stamps before, so I'm going to give it a try, like making some of my own card backgrounds and just using the stamp and maybe some of the embellishments together to make some cards that way. But I'm hoping I can get some 12 by 12 pages out of here for like either my family and my daughters, because there's some good, you know, like sisters and growing up together. Those would be good for my daughters. And then I can probably do some other family pages. We have some family pictures that I can document. And then, like I said, I want to make some Mother's Day, Father's Day cards, both for my stash and for Cards for Soldiers. So I will probably focus on those cut aparts, like those mother-father related, like I said, for the Mother's Day, Father's Day card. Other than that, if you guys have any suggestions, I am always open to new ideas on how to use up my stash. So please, if you have any ideas, I would love to hear that in the comment below. Or if you've used this collection before, let me know that as well. Otherwise, that's it, and stay tuned for what I get, for what I end up making out of this pad. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that this will be a fairly quick one since I don't have a whole lot of paper to use up. It's more embellishments, and it's kind of easier to group embellishments. You know, I can use up more embellishments on a card than I can use the paper sometimes. So I'm hoping that this will be a fairly quick one since there's not that much to use up, but we'll see how June goes since school's out. We'll see. I never get through one as fast as I hope I do or think I'm going to, so we'll see. That's all I can say. But anyway, thanks for your time today, guys, and like I said, stay tuned, and I will be back with my projects. Have a crafty rest of your week.